What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video and in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can sign up for crypto.com. Now before I show you guys how you guys can create an account in crypto.com, let me tell you guys what crypto.com is. Crypto.com is a crypto exchange or also known as crypto trading platform. It's a place where you guys can buy and sell crypto, and it's the only place where you guys can buy crypto for its original price without any actual expense added to your trading, known as trading fee. Alright, so in a simple term, they have zero trading fee. With that said, if you guys want to sign up into it, watch the video until the end. And yeah, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And with that said, let's jump right into the video, shall we? So the first step is what you want to do is search for crypto.com. It will take you to its official website. Once you're in this website, scroll a bit down and click on versus go to crypto.com exchange over here. Once you do that, it's going to take you to this place. Once you're over here, click on versus sign up. Once you do that, it's going to take you to its sign up page. Once you're over here, fill up this form by providing all the information it asks you, and at the end, click on create account, and an account for crypto.com will be created. So it's that simple. So hope you guys understand, and if you guys did, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial for future videos just like this. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video. And it's me, Richie Kevin, signing out. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.